Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing a cheesecake recipe, raspberry jello cheesecake. It's very simple to make and tastes absolutely delicious. So let's see how to make that. I'm using this biscuit to prepare base layer of this cake. You can even use digestive biscuit or Oreo biscuits. Grind it and make a coarse powder of biscuits. So it's ready. Now I am going to mix this with 125 ml of melted butter. Mix it well and make sure it is well combined to make a nice thick base layer for this cake. So here I have a cake tray. I am going to spread it evenly on this. You can use a spoon or something just to press it tightly. I am going to refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare cheese frosting. So this is the cheese, cream cheese, what we use for sweets and desserts and all. So 200 ml of cream cheese I am using. Mash it really well to make a smooth lump-free batter. Adding 1/4 cup of castor sugar or powdered sugar. You can check the taste later and add more if required. I transferred this into a mixing bowl and beating this with a hand mixer to make it even more smooth and lump free. Adding 250 ml of whipping cream. Beat this until we get a smooth creamy texture. I want to make it a little bit more sweet, so I am adding 2 more tablespoons of powdered sugar. So cream cheese is well combined. Pour this on the top of biscuit layer. Gently spread this using a spoon or spatula and make a smooth and even layer. Refrigerate it for 1 hour, and in between we can prepare the jello layer, raspberry jello layer for this. So here I have a mixing bowl. I am adding 85 grams of raspberry jelly. You can use any jelly of any flavor. Adding 250 ml of boiling water. Mix it really well until jelly melts completely. Adding half cup of cold water. Refrigerate this for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, you can see here cheese layer is properly set. Now this is the right time to add jelly layer. I am pouring this jelly with the help of a spoon so that it will land on the cheese layer smoothly. Now we need to refrigerate this for another 6 to 8 hours or overnight. So our cake is ready. I kept it inside the refrigerator overnight. So let's remove this from the cake tray. So let's cut and serve this. Each time you slice the cake, make sure knife is cleaned well with a cloth. Otherwise, cheese will spread on the jelly and it won't look good. Our super delicious, no bake jelly cheesecake is ready to serve. Hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.